Hey guys, and welcome back to a new video on this channel. I'm Szabi from CodeRevolution. So today an unusual video, and I will be bragging with my first sale on ShutterStock. So I uploaded some food images recently to ShutterStock, and it seems that my first sale landed and I earned 10 cents from it. So my wife is a nutritionist and she likes to prepare many recipes, and she creates some nice pictures of her recipes, and I thought, how about uploading some of these pictures to Shutterstock, and as a result I got my first sale on this platform, and I am really happy, although I earned only 10 cents from it yet, but it is a great thing to have your first sale. So I'm not sure if you experienced this, but after you have your first sale, you might catch wings and you might fly up in the sky with rocketing sales afterwards. However, I'm not sure if this will be the case in this case of these pictures, because Shutterstock is pretty overwhelmed with pictures and sales are not coming so often in. However, I am amazed that I already got my first sale here, which is really great. So have you guys experienced with Shutterstock, and do you have any image portfolios there uploaded? If yes, let me know your feedback and what should I expect in the future for this platform. So I will leave in this video's description my image portfolio. You can check it, and if you want you can also purchase one picture from here, for which I will be very grateful. Also, yeah, this is all for today. I will be going and keeping uploading some more pictures maybe here, and yeah, this is all for today. Until next time, have a nice day. I will be updating you on status of this new project I just started, because this is a creative project that I like, because this is something new for me. So yeah, thank you for watching, and have a nice day, stay safe, bye bye.